Hi, welcome to Rocket Health Tips. In today's video, we will talk about tips on how to increase height naturally at home. For some people, being taller gives them some benefits. These benefits include being able to reach high places like ceiling and an edge in some sports like basketball. For some, being tall prevents them from being bullied, and some believe that being with a tall person gives them a sense of security. Please note that watch the entire video to get full details about tips on how to increase height naturally at home. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest health tips and videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 we have Ashwagandha. A person may increase his height with Ashwagandha. With the scientific name Worthenia somnifera, the plant is known as Indian ginseng and it is known to help increase a person's height. According to the publication, the person mixes 2 tablespoons of the plant's powder in a glass of warm cow's milk. Next, sugar or jaggery is added, as per the person's taste. The resulting mixture is consumed by the person every night before going to bed, for at least 45 days to increase his height. At number 2 we have adequate sleep. Having enough hours of sleep also contributes to an increase in height. Adequate sleep is vital since the body grows and regenerates tissue during rest. Also, the brain produces human growth hormone or HGH during deep sleep cycles. This means low HGH levels may lead to stunted growth or not being able to reach one's maximum height. At number 3 we have a balanced diet. A well-balanced diet also helps a person grow taller. The person should avoid excessive sugar-loaded foods, carbonated drinks, and saturated fats. The recommended food choices are those rich in vitamin D and proteins, such as lean meat, egg, tofu, cheese, and legumes, zinc, such as peanuts, oysters, eggs, chocolates, and asparagus, and calcium, such as green vegetables and dairy products. At number 4 we have physical activity. Engaging in sports or doing regular exercise also helps increase a person's height. This is due to the stimulation of the growth hormones when a person exercises regularly or participates in sports. Also, the body in active mode demands for more nutrients, so increasing one's nutritional intake also boosts a person's growth, which includes weight and height. According to the publication, the interplay among exercise, adequate sleep, and proper nutrition helps a person grow taller. A person's height improves as he grows and ages. If one thinks his height does not proportion to his age and weight, he may consult a physician for the proper assessment, planning, intervention, health education, and evaluation. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these health tips, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.